Recent industry guidance provides options for proactive bolt replacement or inspection for Clevis insert bolting. This guidance is required to be implemented at the next scheduled core barrel pull after July 1st, 2023, or prior to 55 calendar years of plant operation, whichever comes first. Due to the impact of an extra core barrel pull during a future outage, Dominion decided to proactively perform the ultrasonic examination of the Clevis insert bolting during the fall 2022 outage when the core barrel was scheduled to be removed. Dominion teamed with Framatome to develop specialized tooling and UT procedure to perform these examinations. The UT procedure was qualified in accordance with industry standards to ensure a reliable examination. A mock-up was designed and fabricated that replicated the configuration. This mock-up was used to qualify the tooling and train personnel for safe installation and operation. The examination tool is delivered by pulls from the refueling bridge. Once in position, the 8 bolts for each Clevis insert are examined. Once the inspection tool is installed, the tooling is remotely operated outside of containment. The Clevis insert bolting UT examination was successfully implemented for the 32 bolts in less than 14 hours. This examination tooling and procedure can be applied to other units within the Dominion Energy fleet.